Hello guys, and this is the Envy Prodigy unboxing of, let's get started. So we're going to just get everything unboxed to get all the tape off. First, let's unbox this bit. Like this, just get everything undone. Undone.
I can still see myself.
Don't talk. And so just get, that's my sister there. She's not meant to be in. So in the box, get everything out. Let's get all some under here. Just get this bit on. So hard to unbox, and I got this off Envy Scooters, Envy Prodigy, $199, my birthday present that I bought with my money. And so we'll just take the bars out. Somehow, I'm just going to try and get out. Oh, here. Because there's two bits separating the bars of the deck. Oh, God. It's so... Oh, that's why. Root that tape in it. Oh, there we go. Got the Envy Prodigy bars. Very nice, very nice. They're very, very light, so we'll just get this bit undone. I'll just cut this bit off. Oh my god. This is so hard. Let's get this undone. It was really nice. It's a colour blue. I got blue in it. So mine's blue, but the deck's still in there. But it's Monday the 16th of September. It took 7 days to ship to New South from America. So, no, I think it's, New South Wales. Yeah. Let's cut this bit off. There we go. The clamp is already on. So we'll just take these out. These are very, very nice. They're nice new grips. Nice. See, nice ODI grips. Yeah, I don't know what bar ends they are, but yeah, and grips, nice bars, very nice gloss black bars. So we'll set them aside, and we'll get the deck out. The best part, the deck. That's there, 110mm wheels. With everything in there, and so what I'm going to do is it's got the a $10 voucher. We'll set that over there. Got the.
Did you go Sorry.
And yeah, that's for us.